What's the meaning of cookie? Cookie. Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie. A cookie is a small data file that is sent from a website to a user's computer or mobile device and stored on their hard drive. It allows the website to remember the user's preferences, login information, and navigation history. Cookies can be used to personalize the user experience and provide relevant content, as well as for tracking and targeting advertising campaigns. They are commonly used in e-commerce and online advertising. However, cookies can also raise privacy concerns, as they can potentially be used to track user behavior and gather personal information without the user's knowledge or consent.